Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a slow motion video on CapCut browser. So I have already added my video, and to add it, for instance, you don't know, I'm just going to delete it. You can either just drag it to the bar or press the plus button here. Then select the clip to show these like tabs, go to speed, and you are going to go here if you want the duration to be slower, like so. And here you can also adjust the pitch, and it'll show you the duration of the video. You can edit it here too. And that is basically how you can create a slow motion video on CapCut browser. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.